Come here. Come here. Here. Yeah, that's good. I see you've been over there running in the mud. You can't be bringing no muddy paws in the house, so we gotta wash them. Yes, it's a sweet boy. Give me the other foot. Look at this. All caked up. Nasty feet. Uh-huh. Because you're a dummy. Alright, come on. Let me get your back feet. Let me get your back feet. Good boy. Alright, now let's dry your paws off. Yo, silly Willy. Yo, silly Willy. Much better. Much better. Much better. Maybe you won't lick your feet. Huh? You like to lick your feet when you got junk on them? There you go, good boy. Ooh, it's a good boy. All right, inside. Mess.